Hi, good evening, namaste, and a quick video to answer a question which came up today in one of my sessions and has come up many times earlier. And a lot of people ask this question because they want to have some insight into what success means and what could be that one key to success. That was the question. What is that one big key to success? I do not have the answer because there is no one big key to success. There are so many factors that come into play. There are so many things that need to be taken care of or to be deleted from the space where we are working, that it is difficult to answer this question. If somebody tells you there is one big key to success, they're lying. Don't believe them. But there is one place where I would like to take you, and that is that a place where a lot of people do not focus on when they begin to do something or when they continue to do something. There is this thing called an environment of success. There is this thing called the circumstance of success. And what does that mean? That you have to make your environment, or wherever you're working, interruption free for you to be able to move with every day and maintain the momentum of what you're doing. Lot of things do not succeed because the environment that is there, the circumstance or the physical circumstance that is there, the people that are there, they are not conducive or compatible, or they do not perform or function in an optimal way. So if your circumstances or environment is not optimal, you're bound to have an interruption or something as a disturbance that comes in over there. And you start and you stop and you start and you stop and you wonder what the hell is going on. So very clearly, this is one of the key things. अगर हम जैसे खेती करते हैं तो उसमें पहले हम ज़मीन ढूंढते हैं, कोई उपजाऊ ज़मीन हो, उसमें मिट्टी खोदी जाती है, मिट्टी को मुलायम किया जाता है, उसके बाद उसमें से कीड़े मकोड़े और कंकड़ पत्थर निकाले जाते हैं. जब वो तैयार हो जाती है तब हम उसमें जाके बीज बोते हैं. उसके बाद उसका खाद देना, उसमें पानी देना, ये सब चीज़. तो एक इन्वायरमेंट पहले क्रिएट किया जाता है उस बीज को बोने के लिए. Likewise with anything that we are doing or anything that we want to call success, we need to create an interruption free and free flowing momentum kind of environment for us to conduct ourselves or to call anything or anyone a success. So this is a place where a lot of people do not focus. And a lot of people do not even think very hard about this. They think it's okay, as long as we're doing our work, everything is going to be okay. But this is one of the key things that I know for a fact. If we do not take care of this, a lot of people fail. So if there is one basis of what we could say movement towards success, is to create an interruption free and free momentum flowing kind of environment. So I hope we are getting closer to success with this answer. Look forward to speak to you again. Bye bye.